Right, Jesse! Hey, Jesse, Jesse. So, we already passed the speed towards the unlimited stick. And now he's passing that next to an upper box for the speed towards the unlimited thickness on the flux core. Yo, Big.
Alright, you want me to run all the way up?
Keep going, kid. You're freaking killing it. There you go, Big. Coming to shop. What do you got, Bob? Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks like somebody got his cookie gun. So, that's at my heat. So run it up to right here.
Okay.
And then I need you to run your root all the way up.
Alright.
Oh, look at this shit. Uh-oh, my boy. Oh, Brady. Remember them verticals you did a shot on the ball throw? Oh, uh-oh. Evan's going to do a run for your money, kid. Everything is good. Friday night. See if I can get a little bit. That's good. So, future 401ers. I love it. This makes me so happy. Anyway, God bless America. Get a shot. What up? This is great stuff. Yo, save me 3 inches from the top so I can see your root. Alright. Feel better, Josh?
Yeah, much better.
Yo, if it's getting overwhelming, always pull the frick out and then regroup. Upper Contact School, welding. Josh. This is for you, buddy. Look at this kid. So. Oh my. Chipping out. I've been blasting this bad boy out 2 foot 1 shot. There's his cover pass. There's his root pass. Oh, this is my favorite. This is how I love to look at a weld. Holy shit. So, to all my business agents in the 401. Hey Mickey, get a load of this, buddy. Mr. Josh, Jesse, this is day 1. We will not let you down. I'm out of here. Uh-oh, family portrait. Tight. Yo. God bless America.
What's up, Jesse?